Visualize your car being remotely controlled by someone other than you. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Your car under the command of an unknown intruder. For many car owners and automobile manufacturers globally, this threat is no longer a speculation but a dangerous reality. In today's digital age, our vehicles are more connected than ever. We have infotainment systems, GPS navigation, and even the ability to start our cars remotely using just a smartphone app. With this convenience of smart vehicles comes a new threat, the rising risk of cyber attacks. This, in turn, has led to a growing demand for automotive security experts. However, the supply of qualified professionals for the job falls short. That's where EXPLIoT Academy comes in. We are excited to introduce our new course on Practical Automotive Hacking. Let's hear all about this course from industry expert, renowned speaker, and the founder of EXPLIoT Academy, Asim Jakhar.
Hello everyone and welcome to EXPLIoT Academy. In this course, you'll dive deep into the world of automotive cybersecurity. You'll learn to identify and attack surfaces, uncover vulnerabilities, and delve into the intricacies of CAN bus attacks, and discover the power of security automation for automotive. You will gain essential skills such as sniffing, replaying, and packet injection on the CAN bus protocol. We'll also teach you how to automate packet sniffing using Python. We'll be using cutting-edge tools like EXPLIoT frameworks, CAN plugins, instrument cluster simulator, CAN utils, and the CAN Pico board. Whether you are an automotive enthusiast or a cybersecurity professional needing to broaden your expertise, this course is tailor-made for you. Dive into the realm of automotive cybersecurity with ease. Enroll in our Practical Automotive Hacking Course and embark on your journey in automotive cybersecurity. Join the EXPLIoT Academy today.